Hi everyone, goal setting is my topic. Let us go into the topic. Introduction. Goal. It is a desired result. Whereas goal setting involves the development of actions to reach the desired result. We have to turn the invisible into the visible by setting the goal. Why setting goal? It will definitely give you a long-term vision. It will help you to focus your knowledge. It will help you to measure your progress. If you have a desire to achieve something, you should have a plan. There are two types of goals. One is short term and another one is long term. Short term goal is nothing but you want to make it happen soon. On the other hand, long term goal is that the name tells it takes long time to achieve. SMART goal is specific, measurable, attainable, relevant and time bound. How to set goals? Keep showing up. If no one invests in you, invest in yourself. If no one believes in you, believe yourself. If you don't see the results right away, keep showing up until you see the results. Even if you don't see the results for very long time, keep showing up. What if the results don't come? They are not going to come if you quit. Keep showing up. I'm tired. Keep showing up. I don't feel like it. Keep showing up. I can't see any results. Keep showing up. I don't know where to start. Just start. Do something. Take that first step. Every step you take adds up, and sooner or later you are at the top of the staircase. It doesn't matter if you can't see the top from where you are just now. Keep climbing. Learn how to get to the next level. If you quit, if you never climbing, if you never take that first step, you will never get there and you will forever live in regret. People don't make it because they quit. They say they tried everything. Sure, they tried everything. They tried everything, but sticking it out. They tried everything, but courage to keep going. They tried everything, but showing heart when things got hard. They tried everything. At last, they did try quitting. Winners do not quit. They show up. Rain, hail or shine, they show up. When it works, when it's hard, they show up. Every single damn time, they show up. And that right there is the difference. Keep showing up. Rain, hail or shine, success is mine. Hard or easy, slow or long, success is mine. Feel like it, don't feel like it. Success is mine. Failure, setbacks, naysayers, success is mine. If you are going through hell, keep going. If nothing is going your way, keep going. If at all seems hopeless, keep going. Success will never come if you quit. If you want the rewards, you must put in the effort. Not just one day, every day. Steps to set goals. There are few steps you have to follow while setting goal. They are identifying the desired result, objective setting, listing obstacles, identifying the people, listing skills, developing a plan, listing benefits. You will not be strengthened by winning, but by your struggles. I repeat, you will not be strengthened by winning, but by your struggles. Struggle makes you stronger. If there is no struggle, no hard work, no challenges, no hard work required, some of you are saying, that would be great. You would be weak. As a strong human being, pain is your friend. You have a purpose in this world and you will find only if you keep going and keep growing. Your struggle is a part of your story and made you the person you are today. Your struggle is your life. Your struggle is your gift. Nobody wants to hear the story of a man that was given everything. People want to hear the stories of men or women that endured pain and turned their struggles into a gift. Fear is only a fictional movie, but reality is struggle. So take the struggle and change the reality. No more second guessing, no more blaming others for the problems that you have in your life. It's a new day. Your struggle is your friend. Take it. Work hard on it. It makes you stronger. So, my dear friends, set your goal. Make a plan. Get to work on it. Stick to it. Never ever give up. When you want to give up, think, why have you started? At last, reach your goal successfully. Now, I would like to conclude by saying, goal setting is not just about what you want to achieve, but also how will you achieve. If you are a beginner, start with the short-term goals which will help you to develop your self-confidence. Whereas, if you are an experienced individual, fix more challenging yet realistic goals. Thank you. Now you get started. Break a leg, my dear friends. Bye bye. I'll be back soon.